next generation of RF microneedling treatment. The world's first dual-wave RF microneedling system, SYLFIRM X. Intuitive interface and 8 customized modes. Linear step motor for a gentle and stable treatment. Elaborately manufactured microneedles by robot manufacturing methods. 4 tips specialized to the treatment area. Transfer new radio frequency energy through Na effect. Selective thermal effect with PW mode. Wide thermal coagulation with CW mode. Bipolar RF via non-insulated microneedles, Na effect. 4 different energy levels with dual wave modes. Safely deliver RF energy to the skin with microneedles. Dual wave RF microneedling system, SYLFIRM X.